Just in case I forget to say this, I stayed in Vila de Conde last night, and getting ready to head out, and the music started, so it's gonna be pretty loud when I walk out the door. You can hear the drums from up here. Welcome to day 3 on the Camino. There's a race going on this morning. Angry sea today. It started pouring, so I stepped into this coffee shop. It's all made out of tiles. It's beautiful. Tells a story just looking at the tiles. This route, the literal route right along the coast, is just absolutely stunning. Even when there's nothing to see, there's plenty to see. This is my home for the night, on night 3, home of pilgrims in Apúlia, I believe is how you say it.
It's raining.
This is my room.